Welcome back to our 28-day challenge, Tai Chi for seniors and beginners. Today we're going to cover coming back and reintegrating yourself into daily life. Coming back with self-applied massage. It's very simple. We warm up our hands, and the simplest thing that we can do is a dry wash of the face. Just a facial massage. Just a dry wash of the face. Also very simple is rubbing coins, like you're rubbing a coin or a worry stone in between your thumb and your fingers. Only the coin is the surface of your ears. So we just rub around the outside, front and back. Any way that you can, grab and pull on the lobe, the front, the back. You can concentrate on different areas around the outside, toward the inner, not inside the ears, but the front part of the ear. We can fold the ear. We can put the ear in between our fingers. This increases circulation in our ears and wakes us up a little bit. There are nerve endings in the ears, traditional acupoints as well, and these send signals to our nervous system. This benefits not just our ears, but all of our body and overall wellness. Let's add this to the end of our practice. We've spent all of our practice relaxing, going deeper and deeper. Let's use this to help us come back and reintegrate into our daily life. Let's begin. Shift into a Qigong state of mind. Enter Wuji position. Long, slow, deep breaths. Relax the front part of your body from head to toe. Relax the back part of your body and let it settle into your structure. Release internal tension with a sigh of relief. Enjoy your breathing and smile from the heart. Now we're going to gather Qi from heaven. Inhale up and exhale down. Linking your breath to your motion. Inhale up, exhale down. Breathing in, breathing out. Enjoy the movement. Enjoy your breathing. Right now, I'm smiling because my left shoulder is making snap, crackle, pop sounds. Enjoy being alive. Let your arms come to rest by your sides. Let everything settle. Just be here right now. Enjoy the moment. When you're ready to return to daily life, do so slowly. Don't open your eyes yet. Just warm up your hands. Cover your eyes with your palms. Blink slowly, allowing more light in. Then you can lift your palms. You can dry wash your face. And you can rub your ears. Waking up, increasing your circulation, increasing your awareness, spreading the benefits of your practice and sealing them in. Thanks for joining me today. Tomorrow we're going to put this practice together with less instruction, just practice. See you then.